Neha Dhupia. This popular Bollywood actress, current gang leader of Roadies, has been approached several times by the makers of Bigg Boss. But every time, this actress has refused to do the show, and she has also stated that she'll never do it. Parth Samthan. Heartthrob of Indian TV industry Parth Samthan have received offers from the makers several times, but he rejected it every time. Karan Singh Grover. Handsome hunk of Bollywood and Indian TV, Karan Singh Grover has denied the offers from Bigg Boss makers several times. Ranvijay Singha. The host of Roadies, Ranvijay, has also been approached by the makers of Bigg Boss, but he never wants to do this show. Uday Chopra. As his Bollywood career is over, he got approached by the Bigg Boss multiple times and he has said no each time. Poonam Pandey. This controversial actress too got offered by the makers, but Poonam is reluctant to do the show. Prachi Desai. This TV and Bollywood beauty also gets approached by the makers for each season, but she does not want to be a part of it. Sana Saeed. The Bigg Boss makers want Kuch Kuch Hota Hai famed actress Sana Saeed inside the house, but she has rejected the offer every time. Shivan Narang. Shivan has done several reality shows. He has even done Khatron Ke Khiladi, but he declined the offer of Bigg Boss each time. Surveen Chawla. This actor is a very well-known personality, which is why the makers want to rope in her every season. But Surveen does not want to be a part of such a controversial show. Shweta Basu Prasad. Because of her controversial past, makers approached her for several seasons of the show. But Shweta is adamant that she'll never wants to be a part of this controversial reality show. Soumya Tandon. Gorgeous television actress Soumya Tandon is also one of the top choices of the makers of Bigg Boss, but she rejected the offer every time. Shiny Ahuja. Shiny Ahuja's career got ruined because of his wrongdoing and because of the controversy. He is a top choice for the makers. In spite of not having any work in his hand, Shiny Ahuja has every time declined to take part in Bigg Boss. Shama Sikandar. To raise the hot quotient of the show, makers have approached Shama several times and each time they got rejected by her.